Alright, I'm back. I'm back. Yeah, the housekeeping came, so I had to basically get out for 30 minutes, which is fine. Wasn't tripping. I'll leave chat on for now. And if there's bots that come in, I'm gonna have to, kick them out, you know? I think the last thing I remember doing was the name doesn't get updated, which I think that's the last thing I remembered. They actually did a pretty nice job cleaning up in here. I was honestly surprised. They didn't touch any, they threw away a lot of the trash, which they didn't take away my towel. I'm glad they didn't take away my towel. Oh my god, I was afraid that they were gonna take that away. I think it was theirs. But no, I'm back. Yeah, so I had to end stream abruptly because of that, which again I don't mind. Because it's been a minute since they came. I've been here for 2 months, and this is the second time they've been in. No, this is the first time they've been in here. The first time they stopped by, I was in the middle of streaming and I wasn't prepared. So let me put on some music. Again, I don't know what music we should play. I would play Nas, but I think last time I played Nas, my whole VOD basically got taken down. I want to play that show food, you know? You feel me? Hey, yo, wait a second. Did Shofu drop his song yet? Shofu is supposed to drop. Yeah. Alright, hold on. Where's my phone charger? So yeah, Shofu was supposed to have dropped a song. Where it is, I don't know. What it is, I don't know. Holy shit. I didn't even realize that got almost 1 million views. Okay, Shofu. They must have promoted this. Hold on. Oh damn, they took my cup away. I cleaned up a lot of what was up here, but I can't remember if there was a lot up there. Put the trash cans down here. They redid the bed, which was nice, because I was a bit worried about the bed. Yeah, Shofu didn't upload. Check his Spotify. No. Nope, nothing. Alright, let me put the music on. I tried to see my mic audio is good, but I don't know. I never did a string check test thing. I don't hear. Why is this so quiet? Alright, I know this is bad timing, but I gotta use the restroom.
My shit's cash. I light a nigga up like flash. Splash. When you come through, I'm the rock you gotta smash. I burn you niggas up with the fucking fire blast. Bitch. I'm God like RC is heaven sent. And y'all hating ass niggas just jealous in one cipher. And y'all niggas been jealous since. I'm like Krabby, got the game in a vice grip. Yo, I'm coming through like a jiglet. This a freestyle, but I know you still dig this. No guard flow, no possible way to miss this. Blizzard Hailstorm, no possible way to miss this. Rap is fun, but Pokemon pay the bills. You don't have a pen, sir? Then send a quill. I'm running this, you niggas just runner-ups. And you know I'm headed for the sky, no uppercut. Multi-scale even after an explosion. You ain't gonna survive, make sure you got a super...
Alright, these chips, I don't really want. Oh, that bed feels so nice. Alright, so we gotta change the on-click of these buttons, I realize. Because look, this button name is messed up. That is why. So and this code, select preset, is coming from new. Let me... Not on this. Where's the, what's up with the file? Hello? It's like stuttering. This thing. Attribute. Save preset name. So the one thing we gotta do here is actually change this. And it's gotta be preset number. And then when we change this, we can change it to, oh shit, set selected preset, and then there's that, and then select preset, and then this. But preset editing is going to be the value in here. And then select preset is gonna have this along with this as the new preset name. And then this I think should be 0. And then the rename, I don't think the rename needs to change, right? Yeah, the rename doesn't need to be changed. Save preset name, and I think confirm reset. Yeah, we do the same thing here, right? Select preset and false. Why do we put false there? It's coming from new. Okay. So if we say is new. This is gonna be false. This confirm reset. This should actually say is coming from new true. Oh wait, no. It's not coming from new, so that'd be false. But yeah. So this should fix that, I think. I mean, they took away the badge that I had. There we go. Alright, so if I reset this, yep, and then select this and say new list 22, go to it after. It didn't update this. Oh wait, it went back to, why did it jump back to it? If it equals old playlist name, set it. But preset name doesn't get set. That doesn't make sense. I can't. I think. What is this? It runs this, which I think, does something else call this? I have a feeling that this is not needed here. Because get playlist settings, that doesn't, I don't know what that means. I have a feeling that this should be put after here. Load new preset songs, okay. Text equals that. Okay, I have a feeling that this was not needed. Let me check. So right now, let's say I select this. I'm gonna refresh, and we're gonna check. I don't know why it says new list 22. I clearly clicked on this. Reset. Yes. Okay, now let's look at it. It should. Okay. Weird visual issue, I don't know why. Select and go. Okay. For some reason it still says list 22. I thought... Huh. So then... New list 22. How the fuck did it get there? I gotta put some console logs here because clearly something's not working. Alright, let's refresh. The original video. Reset. Click. Does this weird visual issue. Save and go. Save. List 55. True. Preset name. Why is it playlist settings? Is preset name changing at all? Update preset name. Playlist settings, preset name goes preset name. Preset name equals test list 3. How the fuck is it that? Let me... They said I should do this in my normal voice. Select preset, let me see. Okay, so this might be why, but I can, and this might be why it's jumping. So I'm thinking here, if I don't call this and instead, well, I already, okay, hold on. Load new preset songs, update text values. Load new, why am I calling this? It doesn't make sense for me to call that. I think that's what's messing it up. Alright, so yeah, if I click this, and then reset this, and then I do new preset, what? List text 3, go to it afterwards, save and go, list test 3, it didn't update this for some reason. but it went through this. It doesn't make any sense at all. Because if I look at this should have updated. Preset, new preset, false. This didn't get updated. Preset name. Preset name is not correct. Okay, I think I understand what's going on. If I switch to this, reset that, click on it, click, that's awkward, test 3. What I am doing here is this here, but for some reason, as soon as I hit this, it gets restarted. Or it gets reset for some reason. I can make it a constant so it doesn't get reset. I could do this. I could put a console log here. I don't think it's gonna solve anything. Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm not doing 24-hour stream today. Okay. But why does that take forever to load up? What is going on with this thing? Select preset. Well, I see the on click has a space. I see why. It forces a space. Okay. But for some reason, select preset runs insane for some reason. Oh, you beat me, Astro Evolved with Pikachu. Yeah, you beat me, Astro Evolved with Pikachu. Pika. Select preset. That's for original. Yeah, coming from new doesn't need to be a thing. So what this does is it checks if it's new. check preset difference. I don't know what this function does. So this is our code. I don't know what this function does actually. Oh, if there's the array is different, okay. If it's false, then that's fine. But if this equals -1, we do all this, which is fine. If it does not equal 1, then we do this. But even then, get preset name editing. This is what's taking forever here. What is this? Model show quick pop-up. So much for quick, huh? This ain't quick at all. This is we show it, then we load it. Maybe we should load it and then show it? I don't know if that would be better. That way we don't look like an idiot doing this here. Original playlist. This seems so simple, but it is. Click on it. For some reason, this takes forever to load up. Why? What is it on that page that takes... Pika Pika. Motherfucker in chat said, if you're not reading Kakume, you don't like Dragon Ball. Shut the fuck up, bro. Talking about Kakume. Kakume out of here. Hey, who asked? This still takes a while to load. I don't know. You know, it seems like a simple thing to do in the code. We load it. But then for some reason it takes forever. Is it this stringify here? Could it be that? I don't know. Maybe it takes a while to stringify. I know why. There's look at this. In the code, there's this reason here. We're stringifying the... Wait, no. I thought it was something else. It could be that, but there could be easily... I mean, 200 songs and it takes forever to stringify. Doesn't make sense. What do I actually need this for here? On fetch quick pop-up, what is playlist settings being used for over here? JSON decode, playlist key. Do we even need this? Select from playlist presets where playlist key. Well, if we have preset option, we don't need to select from playlist presets. Slurp it up. Oh shit, and she's still slurping. If it's because of this, if this is all we're using it for, yeah, we don't need this at all. What we can do here is this. Preset option, preset editing. Well, actually, what doesn't slurp it up, go. Slurp it up, go. Slurp it up. Oh no, we do need go. Slurp it up, go. Slurp it up, go. Slurp it up, go. No, we just need the key. Why do we not just send the key over? What the fuck am I doing? We're gonna say playlist key. And then we could just do this. And then in here, not that one. In here, we don't need to do all this here because we already have. Go, slurp it up, go. You want me to slurp? Like that, and like that. That's literally, I think, all I had to do. So that should, instead of stringifying it, we stringify this, but no, we just do that. We don't need this. So that should speed it up. Oh wait, that's old site. Ignore it. No. So this should be a lot quicker now. Holy shit, it is. Look how quick that is. I don't know what happens here. Like, why does it take forever to load? I don't know. Is it, I assume it has to do with the JavaScript on this file being loaded in. I can move all this to the other file if I need to. It's just there's so much JavaScript on this file to begin with. So I didn't want to let me see if it's because of that. Let me check. Alright, so if I click on this, click on this, click on that, hit this. No, it still does the stutter. I don't know. What could it be? What could it be? We have to optimize it. For some reason, I still don't know. It pops up, but for some reason it stutters. Like, get preset name editing. We load it, and then, well, okay, so what is reset preset? What are we, is reset? So if is reset, selected option equals selected option, key equals key, which again, what is this for then? It's almost as if I'm not using that at all. Selected option. So I can get rid of this. Put you in a box if you will birdie. Okay. So then fetch quick pop-up. Key. We don't even have to. So we could do this here. We don't need this. Alright, I know Kenny, I know Jason, the liquor in my basement. Alright, so if I click on this, okay, that one loaded fast. It took a while to name, but that's okay. So I'm going to say new list 22, and we're going to go to it. So when I click on it, go to it. So new list 22. New list 22 gets set in preset names. Hold on, we're making progress. New set list 22. So it got set in preset names, which is correct. But preset name itself didn't change. This. Wait. New list. Oh, new list 22 changed in the wrong position. Okay, and then preset name selected. I don't know how, but it's not changed to the new one. Look at this. So it hasn't changed this work here. If go preset set the true, it gets true. This should have been like this. And if we do have to do because 3 would be 0, 0? No, but 3 would still be here, so. But this should still be this then. And then this 3, preset number 3. This will be correct then. Preset underscore number. Preset button underscore 3. And then we do, but on the click for it, look, on the click it still says new preset, which isn't correct. So I think, let me try this. Oh, wait a second. I'm missing another button change. I do update this, I believe. ID, preset number. But I don't change this button text here. I never change this preset button, do I? For the on click. This should probably just be a global change here. So preset button, and it's the select one. I think I could take this false off. That's gotta have to underscore. Alright, let's refresh this. It's too easy. Alright, so I'm gonna go to the original. I'm going to reset this, reset it. Alright, so when I click on it, three, 1, 0, new preset button. I click on it. Test 2347. Save name. Hello? What the fuck happened? It didn't work. What the? It didn't work. I mean, that must mean go select preset. Oh, that equals false? How though? How did that ever equal false? Did I not click on it? Hello? But it didn't set the button text either. So that's kind of confusing. So, let's reset this. Confirm. New Pokemon. If I select save and go, for some reason this happened. No, it still didn't. It still didn't set this. Update the text values. Pokemon. Okay, so this got updated. This didn't get updated for some reason. Why? I don't know. And the code, it clearly got updated. So, preset name didn't get updated for some reason. I don't know why. This should be the first thing we set here, regardless of this function. This, same thing. This should be first thing we set. This is based on the selected option. I think I could take that out. Let's refresh this. Alright, so click on this, click on edit, preset. If I reset this, it should go back to original. It did. Okay. Click on new. Okay. Come on. What? I don't know. Click and go. Okay. Okay. No. Oh wait, this got updated. Hold on. Preset name. Preset name doesn't want to update at all. Why? Let me try this. Maybe there's some cache thing in this that's fucking it up. Reset. Hello. Model is not a function. Oh. How? Oh, the page isn't even finished loading. Alright, reset. Okay. Okay. New list 99. Save and go. It still doesn't wanna. What is up with preset name? Is this not? Alright. Why is preset name not wanting to update? Preset name. Okay, and if I then run this, okay, well, so update text values doesn't even update that. Yeah, update text values. If playlist settings dot preset name equals that, else oh, look at this. Preset selected does not equal 0. So hold on a second. Preset selected is 0. We got to change this to this. So playlist settings dot preset selected equals preset editing. I don't know if that's gonna be int. Okay. Why did it say I was reconnecting? Okay, yeah, it looks like I'm back up. For some reason my stream said reconnecting. Alright, so look at this. Reset. New list. New list. Go to list. Save and continue. Now, let me check that. Reset. New list. New logo. Let's just do that. Go. Okay. Now if I do new list and then say test list 4 and just say save, current preset editing, that needs to be changed, which that's selected on here. So this is why I put there. But then when I click on it, hello? New preset? How come preset button 4? Maybe don't have 2 strings. No, but the button text doesn't need the 2 strings. So, preset button. Oh, it's lowercase. Alright, it's lowercase, that's why. That's kind of mixtape. reset this. Reset this. Name this. So this steps that I'm gonna take. Test 44.5. Test save and go. Okay. New name 4. Save. Okay. Oh shit. Oh no, that's a radio button. Okay. Okay. Hello? Is that UI? Okay. Okay, so if I exit, it should just open on 454 for the whole thing. Yeah. What's up? What's up? I don't know how to say your name. Alright, rename word? Okay, does rename work on the button though? It did. Okay. Nice beat. It's a Shofu. This song is called Burden by Shofu. He's a pretty rad rapper. He's the anime rapper. So he's got a song about Tom Nook. He's on a lot of anime ciphers. He makes anime music. So yeah. But he's alright. He's one of the few anime rappers that I can tolerate. There's not many, so I think that's something. Alright. I still feel like there's something about this though that isn't gonna work. I don't think I have save current preset done. Save preset. I don't think I have that code done. Yeah, I don't think so. Is Shofu again? I'm primarily playing Shofu music right now. Save preset. So we gotta create this function now, or let this load here. Do I have these? So these look to be okay now. Copy into preset. Load new preset songs. I think this is done. Preset differences, that's done. Done. Get reset presets, done. Done. Now we need to do this. Differences? Bro, why does my stream do this? What's going on? Hello? My stream keeps like restarting or something, but I'm not dropping frames or anything. What is going on? I believe it is checking the differences between this here, but what I could do is in the code, I can make a is playlist saved? I'm gonna say false. And instead of comparing the arrays, I think we could just do this, where when we make any change, we instead of array equals, we could just check this. Playlist settings dot is playlist saved. And then if it's false, we do this. So when we do a load new presets, what I'm gonna do is this: playlist settings dot is playlist saved equals. No, but if there's no, I'm gonna say true. But as soon as we say, I don't think I'm using this anywhere anymore. No. We could get rid of this. Wait, what did that? Yeah, we can get rid of it. Anytime we do something here, such as JoJo's finest Pokemon. Shift song. If we do this, we're gonna say playlist settings dot this equals false. Song selected, editing scroll, playlist sort, we're going to do playlist settings dot that equals false. Remove song from editing playlist, we're going to then say playlist settings false. Load edit playlist songs, set edit. So now if we do it based off of this value, well, we had to set it, I don't think we set it to true at all. So that's the thing, we have to set it to true. And I think it, false, false, false. Preset differences. True. Oh, we do set it when we do load new preset songs. We do set it to true. We can see how this goes. Another reason why this might be taking a while to load might be because of this. I can check because let me see how many times we call this. 1, 2, 3, 4. If it is because of this, there's a good reason. But we can see. We can see. Alright, let me refresh the site here and then check. And the save preset shouldn't be that bad either. Yeah. So look, if I say I delete this song, ooh, it gets deleted, and then I switch to this. Save. If I hit close. Okay, hold on. Did it just come back? 1, and then this. It just came back, bro. Oh my god. What the fuck am I doing, bro? Okay. Load new preset songs. It shouldn't do this. Fetch quick pop-up. What's... if it doesn't equal 0, right? Because no, wait. Yeah, because if we call this here, if we call it, then one thing we gotta do... Why is there so much empty space in that song? One thing we gotta do here is then we call this, and then this gets called based on this, save and continue, which update preset list, which I don't know what this PHP update. Oh, there's nothing here. Okay. So what are we passing through? Playlist settings. Damn. Well, what we should be passing through is... So let me refresh this. And then let's see. I don't think... We passed through... Alright, let me just see here. So look, if I edit this, and then try and... If I delete this, it should be gone. And then when I click on it, it shouldn't. No, why does it do that? Why does it reappear? What the fuck? You don't want to see the CP. This, if it's false, if it's true, then, well, this whole thing should be if it's true, I guess, but, oh, you can't see the code. People are legendaries and no one already knows. Alright, so if I edit this is the only section of code that I know that I think is doing this. So if I delete that, what I can do, and what I should do is well, it gets re-rendered, so I think that's why I don't delete it instantly, but okay, finally, something. So, what we should be doing here, remove playlist songs, is we should set this here, and what we should do, I believe, is in the JavaScript song ID. Okay, well I'm assuming. So yeah, we do song ID here. So one thing we're gonna be doing is PHP read Ajax send array to PHP. JSON decode strip slashes. So we need to create this array inside of here first. So in our code, and we're gonna do this. I think we should do this differently throughout around. We have save preset, but then we also have to do save and continue. So this is gonna be actually what we need is this. We're gonna say var new playlist array. I'm going to say for var x equals 0, x less than, and just call new playlist order. Playlist settings dot this dot length x plus equals 1. So then we're gonna say new playlist array dot push, and we're gonna push this of x dot song ID. So that way it's in that order. So that means in here we just say we're gonna need this is say current playlist editing is test. Current playlist editing, and not current preset. Okay. We are going to need this preset key. Then we're going to say preset name dot preset name, and then new preset array, like that. I'm not even gonna bother changing the name here because save and continue is gonna do something different here. So save and continue is gonna do this, as well as this. The notes. Also, it's gonna save and continue to the next one. So we should have next. Wait, but this is the. Okay. Save and continue doesn't have the next one though, right? Unless, hold on, what did I click on here? I clicked on 3, I think. I clicked on this one, 0, 0, 1, 2. So do I have a 2 in here anywhere? No. So I'm not just an EV. If it pops up, we should have a global variable for next selected preset. We'll just say 0. No, we'll put -1, so it doesn't fuck things up. When we pop up with this pop-up, like that makes sense, we should say this, current preset selected, is that, we want to say playlist settings dot equals and then that. But we want to, I feel like things are lagging here. We want to do this, pass this through, we're gonna say a next clicked preset. So that way we have this. Now, over here, if we hit save and continue, we have this. So we're gonna say var const next preset selected equals playlist settings dot that. Then what we want to do, my rhyme's desolate. What we want to do here, close that. I have yet to write that script, but I think we can close this. We want to replicate when we click on this radio button, which is right here. So we want to replicate this, which is fine by me. But if it's a new one, if it's a new playlist, how do I confirm that they're gonna select on it? So this is obviously gonna be this. Like that. That's also gonna be here. How do I know if it's new or not? I could. Playlist settings preset names of next preset selected -1, and this should be that. Well, that should be an integer anyways. So this will be like this. Is new. What we can literally check is this. If is, we need to close the model, but who's that guy? Cut. Sudowoodo. Bitch, I'm still in the cut. Sudowoodo. Take a Sudowoodo. How do these close? Dismiss. Okay. So they do dismiss. Here we go. Before we do this though, is new should be. We should be able to get the button text that we click on. So, button reset. Here we go. Here we go. We could check on this text here. So we're gonna say bar button text. Digits Matt Houston. Next preset selected dot value text, and then if button text equals else. So I believe for select preset, is new is 1. So 1, 0. If it equals new preset 1, new preset question mark. So I'm gonna put in comments language change here, language change here, because when I do the languages, I'm gonna have to change the language change here. Okay, so this looks to be correct, but I'm gonna comment that out for now. I need to do save preset, and what I want to do here is then do this here. We're gonna put preset name post maybe that's wrong file. Preset key equals post. I got wrong to go. And then there's a let's say preset new preset value equals that new preset array. And then what we want to then do is say, I don't know how. Does this serialize array? No. Wait, and then just do data equals data string, then yeah, wait, if I just pass it through as a string instead, that might be easier. Because then I could just do this equals dot join and then do it like that. And so that way it's a string, because I need to pass it through as a string anyways. So and we're gonna say new data value equals, I'm gonna say preset name dot new preset values. What the fuck? Like that. So then, if I do SQL equals update, which I don't remember how to do an update. Set preset. That's another thing I guess I have to do here. Preset key. I mean, it doesn't matter, it's the same thing. We don't need these. This is okay here. So we're gonna then update it set preset. Okay. And then this right here. So this should work now. So for preset 1, I'm gonna delete song 4. It's 4 o'clock already? What did I say here? Yeah, preset 1 here. I didn't even do anything though. How is it? Bro, I didn't. Is playlist saved? I guess I should just say true on original. I don't know why I set false to begin with. New list 8. I don't know how it's okay. Yeah. Is save current playlist I should indicate to the user that it needs to be saved somehow. But that's okay. I'll figure that out. So if I delete that and then I hit save, it should have one of these songs deleted. 300, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it did not get deleted. Why? Undefined variable preset option. Bruh. Switch. Oh. Huh. Okay. Okay, I know. So if I do this, next selected preset is Megaphon's this. But I should say playlist preset selected. So this is the current one selected, so I should say selected option playlist settings dot this, and then in the script okay. Alright. I got refreshed though. Okay, so I'm gonna delete this one, save it. We should see it saved in here. Yep. So now if I switch to this, I didn't set it to true. I never set it to true. Okay, let's try this again. Trap card the motherfucking mixtape. Alright, look at this. So if I delete this, save, I'll have some indicator that is saved, but and then switch, I guess, yeah. Oh, because you can't edit the original playlist. So if I go to here then. Is that really the second song? Hold on. Oh no, so that's Beautiful Tom Nook, okay. So if I delete Elevator, and I don't save, and then I try and go over here, are you sure you want to go without saving? I hit close. What it should do is stay on this. So I shouldn't change the radio button first. So that's the thing I gotta do now. Which is this. So when I click on the radio button, the first one that gets selected is set selected preset. So set selected preset, which I feel like we should just should do, actually, current preset selected, next clicked preset. This I can get from, because right now I think this fucks up, this fucks up the number system here. So if I do current preset selected, I can do this. Var current preset selected equals playlist settings dot that. This I can take out. Next clicked preset is then called here. So what I should do is this and put this. That means in here I don't have to call this anymore over here because it's gonna check anyways. Yeah, that's that. And then I should then, in here, it says return true or false, but in reality, what we should be doing is this. Based on this answer here, is when we decide this one right here. So we can take this one out and put it in here. And then I think is new, is presets, select presets. I think if we do x-1, we can get that in our data here. We could say const preset name value equals playlist settings dot preset names of next clicked preset -1, and then is new. We can just get the text of the button. So we can throw this in here, throw this right here, throw this right here, and then we did this before in a different file. I think we did it over here. We literally did it right here. I don't know if it works, but you know. Next preset selected, this one right here. And then that actually means we could change this on click here to just say check preset difference, because we have this preset button. What is this on click for again? Select preset is new. So then what was this set selected preset? So that's for the radio button. But we could check we can do this, is radio. And we could just say if is radio. We do this. We could then do this inside of here instead. Because on the radio one, we say true. On this one, false. And I think then we can change this here. So this is for the button. Check preset differences, and we're just gonna do false. We do this, and then false, right? Preset number. No. This is true. This one is false. Let me see if there's any buttons we got changed up on here now. I don't think so. Alright. Yeah, I don't think we... Alright, so I think now this will work. I gotta do some tests of it. And check. Alright, so how does that work? That work. Okay. If I reset this, reset, new preset, yes, save name. So, oh, that's preset selected, yes, why? Playlist preset selected. These are the only three that, but playlist, if the playlist preset select name equals the old name, which it shouldn't have, no, it will. If, I think we should do this. If new name 4. Which one? How did I get here? Alright, so if I select this and I reset this, I get put to here. name this, name it yes to, save. Okay, it didn't update. But then if I hit this, then it updates. Okay, I think I fixed that use case. So this one I'm gonna reset. We shouldn't. I can fix that though. We shouldn't let it go back to the default. Like. Set selected preset -1. What we should actually do when we confirm the reset is we need to actually, if the selected preset equals the current selected preset, so like this. So if I'm on here and my current selected preset is this, this preset selected. If playlist settings dot equals selected preset, then we run this. Alright, so that should fix that use case. We're getting very close to finishing these use cases. Double clicking up, down buttons will shift the song to the top or bottom. I have yet to implement that, I believe. Alright, so we're on 3. If I reset this, okay, yeah, it doesn't go back to the top. So we're gonna say new list 4, 5, whatever, like that. Okay. Okay, I honestly think this is good now. I honestly think the sidebars are done. The thing we need to do is, I believe we should update this, where we say this, and then we should say not saved, inside of here. So let me, in the code, let me do this. Wherever we have this, I know where this is actually. I can close that. I can. This is done, right? So if we're on new list 5, and well, okay, we can test the delete the other system in a bit. Hold on. I need to fix. This needs to be cancelled out. This. How is this not? Oh. It's, load songs? Is it this? Leave in. This, we need to add a span here. ID equals not saved span. So anytime we make a change, we are going to add this text here. So let's scroll back to the top. Every time we do this, we're gonna have to do .css display block. Let's do font weight bold. Is that how that works? I got funky dance. Alright, I can check on the site here. So I can take that Wait, is that? Yeah, presets. CSS font weight bold. I think that's how that is. Yeah, it is. Good. And we're gonna do this for, and when we hit save, this will go away. So this is, display non-text will be empty. Like that. But when we set playlist sort and then we do remove song, load edit. Alright, let me check now. And then we'll focus on the other buttons, so save and continue and all that. Alright, if I delete that, not save. Ooh. I want to do it in line, though. Here we go. And then we should honestly do a space for it, so. And okay. Pikachu. Pikachu. Pika. Pikachu is the best. Pikachu is the best. Yeah, Pikachu is the best. Pikachu is the best. Alright, now we can refresh this. This should be better now. So yeah, if I delete this, I thought I added a space there. I honestly thought I added a space. What is going on? Pikachu. NBSP. Pikachu. Should I even say not save? I don't even know if that matters anymore. What I could do to make it easier. I'm gonna just do a star. Pika Pika. And then, let me just see how this looks. So if I delete that, I don't know what people want. That's the thing. I don't know what people would want. And I don't know this industry standard of what people might want. Yeah, so if I delete this song, yeah, look. And I hit save, it goes away. So now this should be missing a song on preset 4 then? Yeah, it's missing number 1, which is fine. So we know that the save works now. Let me test if this will work. Isn't there... Okay, yeah. But wait. Confirm continue. It should just... It should just go here. Wait, no. Is save. We should just be able to do this. And then this, I don't think we ever needed. I think we could do that. Broken black bitch. Alright. If I delete this and then I switch, if I say yes, okay. It didn't run the update on that. And this didn't change either. But when I switch to yes, we need to also say if is saved, we set is saved to true. Well, we should set it to true anyways. So is playlist saved? In this scenario, it's gonna be set to true regardless if they say yes. For switching the songs though, I thought we need to change the other part also. So we gotta change this here. This doesn't need language. Oh man, I got PvP again.
This is war, and with my party you don't match up. You said you got the time to fight, you're looking at the elder. I run the seconds in every moment you're living, bitch. In this contest, you ain't leaving with a ribbon trick. Head in the scope, we switch it up like a vote. We keep it popping, we never stopping. I told you before, we make it rain, you get soaked. I'm shining, witness the growth. These nuts are what I bestow. Get out that circular throw, easy. So you telling me you will and you mad flyer? That's like using rock slide on a quack sire. It ain't working, so quick stop it. You ain't popping. You niggas sweeter than an orange fucking poppin'. It's show food and six siblings, slayers born L battling with us. You suffer a connected horn drill, bitch. Bitch. And we on some legendary shit. Nigga. You mad?
Left light on. I'm back. I'm only gonna stream for another 2 hours. Cause it's Sunday. Tomorrow's 4th of July day. You know. Let's refresh this. And plus I streamed for what, good 7 hours today? That's what the videos would be up. I don't know what the... Oh, okay, it looks like, hold on, let me check to make sure real quick. Did this cut off correctly? Okay, hold on. I gotta check to make sure this is cut off correctly. Alright, good. I can make this public for now. Let me see if my other one is done. No, the other one's not even processed. The other one's not processed, so I can't do anything about it yet. Okay. This stream's about 2 hours long, but I don't know. It's restarted a few times. So. Alright. For some reason, the thing is, I've been looking at this menu for so long, and for some reason I hate it. So it shouldn't save. It went to new. Okay. Okay, so now if I delete Tom Nook, take a second. Go to this. Save and continue. Okay, and then if I switch back, Tom Nook should be gone. Yeah, Tom Nook is gone, but it immediately, when I clicked on this, when I hit save and continue, it looks like it ran the other script. So we need to. How do I know? We're gonna need to know if it's true. Save and continue should do. I know what to do. Hold on. So when it checks for the name here, we need to pass this. Is radio if is radio else? Oh no, we could just do this. We could do var radio value equals this dot yes no is radio value. And then on here, does it automatically? Damn it. Alright, anyways. On here, fetch quick pop-up, we get this. And is this? I don't think it matters, right? What we're saying is saved, so radio option equals the post that, and then radio option is gonna be also on here, so is radio. So on save and continue, we're gonna say wait, what are we in? Where are we? What am I doing? No. I need to get this. Like that, and then down here, not this. What is this? Yes or no? So it's gonna be if radio equals yes. Alright, so that should work now. I hope, I think, I don't know. if I delete this, and then I select this and just hit yes, yeah, it should fix itself, and it does do that. So, alright, so presets are 100% done, I think. I'm sure there's some wild cards thrown out there. Yeah, like if I hit exit editing, and then hit editing, yeah, that's fine. And then hit presets, yeah, that's fine. We gotta change this drop down now. So, let me actually... save the preset. Done. Copy preset to another. I'm not doing that right now. Or duplicate, I guess duplicate preset, but yeah. Add to playlist adds the preset as well. I don't know about that. If they don't have any, thing is, if they don't have, alright, we'll work on these tomorrow. I really want to work on the three dots, so let me do bootstrap 5 3 dot or 3 dot drop down. Ooh, see, that's kind of small heading. Do they have examples? A kebab. That's what they call it, a kebab, because you know, a kebab man. Oh, this is perfect. Literally what I'm looking for. Though, so much CSS for what I think is not needed. Is this what you wanted? On hover 3 dots. Let me stretch. I'm joking. I'm making a joke. Let me try this. And what this is for is this here. I'm changing this, so instead of a trash can, what do they call it? Trash? I'll just type in trash and see. Here it is. Load sidebar playlist. I got 2 of these here. For some reason. One of these for mobile or something. Oh, I think one's for search and one's not for search. Okay. I'm gonna change it to this drop down here, and let me see how this works. I don't know how this is gonna work because of certain things here, but let me see. Hey, someone show who like Ratchet and Clank. That's not that file. What is that? A canvas? I don't know if I'm gonna do hover because hover requires a lot, and I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Why does this div look like it doesn't fit? lot of this is playing with fire because it's what is this if statement for? If is logged in. Okay. I'm gonna just try drawing this here. Let me see how this looks. Not that bad, except we're gonna say duplicate playlist, rename, I guess no, we should say rename playlist, duplicate playlist. This drop down, I think I could actually just make this drop down a drop down of buttons, or like this here. So I think what the fuck did I just copied like the wrong thing here. Expanded false. Okay, so then some of the CSS I gotta change here then. Definitely taking this shit out. Menu nav, menu item, taking this shit out. Is this what you wanted? Like, who asked for this? Failed to get L woman. Oh wait, if there's more than one. Okay, let's see this in action. Failed to get, well, I don't like that it is on its own thing here. I kind of want this to be floated over, so I want to be like float left, right, top 0, maybe. I want to say style equals flow right, and then move this all up. I think that will do well. I'm gonna close this other one. Again. Not that bad. As for what it's supposed to do, div class drop down toggle. I think this is what I'm missing. But I hope it doesn't mess up the UI of the entire thing. If so, I might have to change it. Ay, 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 ay. It's still, why is that? What is that? Okay. Oh, it's a toggle after. So then I want to say border top none. I got grab bars, number 3, unlock Pokédex, WDFA. You just don't know it yet. Okay. So, drop down. I think this has to be inside of here. So let me fix this. And then labeled by type button. I hope it doesn't have to be a button. It shouldn't need to be. Oh no. What the fuck is this one? Why is this drop down? of these have used the drop downs, but then in the CSS, I have a drop down. Oh, I added this. That's why. Fun. Slurping on my nuts. He's slurping on my nuts. In your ear. Put it in your ear. Put it in your ear. Then that disappeared. Hey. Why the fuck did that open up over there? Alright, hold on. Make, grab, drop down, open. Always open left. Oh wait, after version 3, drop down menu right. Slurp it up, go. Slurp it up, go. Did you want to slurp? Hey, you up, win. Bro, how what? It's should always open left. Why is it doing that? Again, very simple. What does this do? Slurp it up, go. Slurp it up, go. So this is not the answer to my question. Completely disabled switching by setting this data display just on the drop down toggle element. Oh, what the fuck? I don't like that. Disable this with left. How do you force it to be on a certain side though? Say in certain side and that on certain side. Come on, run up, come on. Come on, get in, come on. I have a feeling that that's not what I'm looking for. The fuck is this? Oh, here. Menu and I think that's what the other side said, but I didn't believe it. I was like, no, this can't be right. Do 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 do. Okay. Now we're business. Alright. So now we're gonna have pretty much this right here. And let's say delete playlist. And here we're gonna say and let's say style equals color background color red color white. Think that'll work well. On click will equal this. Ah shit. We're gonna say duplicate playlist, rename playlist, span, for duplicate playlist, how I'm gonna do it is you get to choose your next playlist name. I don't like that at all. Uh-oh. Oh shit. Alright, there we go. Whew. Alright, let me try this now. Yeah, that looks better. I'm gonna just leave it like that and then throw this on click in there. And then we're gonna do duplicate playlist, rename playlist. For rename playlist, I'm pretty sure we could do the same as the preset. Yeah, this is what this does here, look. Fuck the law like red and no saying. So if I hit delete playlist, I don't fucking know what happened. I think because of this, but I don't know why I don't have any confirmation for deleting a playlist. Nice big rocking out, nice wrist, 200 flash on the dash, I'm a flight risk. No cap like I'm 5'6". Alright, wait, what? What? Alright, so if I delete that. Delete it. Delete it. Delete it. Delete it. And I create a new one called A. Why? Why can I not create one called A? I should not have one called A in my list anymore. I thought I fixed this. A. Bro, I have... What's this? Get playlist names? Get playlist names. Let me... I fucking swear to God, I knew I fixed this. What happened? Get playlist names. Element.value. If not logged in, we do this. If playlist name equals empty, disable. Get playlist names, function data. We get playlist names, okay. If data.length is greater than 0, else wait, no, it should be greater than or equal to 0. Hold on. Let me check. What? Hey, what? Alright. So if I refresh, this should work. This should work. There we go. No songs are added. That's fine with me. Oh, shit. Yeah. But when I delete a playlist, so wait, hold on. If I hit edit, and then hit presets, yeah. That's because the presets weren't in the other ones. Wait, what? How come? This shouldn't be a thing. I thought I fixed this on so. Delete definitely should have a pop-up. I could have sworn I had that. I could have sworn. Keep it 198. In the code, I'm thinking if we have all this for the naming system, what we should do is this. Copy paste. If is set host is rename playlist. Then we're gonna do playlist name equals host playlist name, like that. We're gonna say, I think we could just say, can I do this? Is this allowed? No. Is rename playlist. Is delete playlist. Blank, 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 yes. I mean, this is really all we need here, and then do we need more of the national debt? Close, and then is delete playlist. Confirm delete. I guess we should do the key. I guess that's all we need is the key. Well, we should do the playlist name as well as the key. Need a king entrance. Back with the vengeance. Is delete playlist. False, 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 false. We do true here. And then, so it's gonna be playlist name and key. Okay, and then same thing here is gonna be confirm playlist rename. Let's do confirm playlist delete. I guess we should just move this all into its own. I don't think I have any. Matt Houston. Bitch, it's Matt Houston. Alright. Move that into here. Oh shit, like Gen 7. I'm going to assume everything still works. I'm not gonna go back and check because of this. Playlist name and key. Playlist name key. What the fuck? My control key's working? Hello? Well, rename and so this is rename and delete. We gotta do duplicate X, which is not that hard. Officer Jenny pulled up, she looking ratchet. We should have update, right? You. So I'm gonna do a dot post and then let's say playlist name, key, key. And we're gonna say function SSN with the Mexicans, another SSN and another motherfucking action. Hold on, I might have to change my... I don't, alright. He's bashful. He's assassin. What's a horse to a dinosaur killer? Pterodactyl. There out that bitch. T-rectodactyl. Always factual. One thing I gotta do is change the delete to this. Confirm playlist delete should actually do this here. So and then time and space finding spirit in a leg. One thing I need to do is do fetch quick pop up. We need to run. Hold on. Function delete playlist pop up. Where's the? We gotta run this function inside of here. So do this. Okay, so this goes key and then playlist name. Weird. Yeah, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna change it. So then, what the hell? I'm gonna change it. So then in here, so on click, one thing we have to do is open, playlist setting, open, and we're gonna say option, and then we're gonna say on click delete, on click rename, and then this fetch key needs the key. I don't know. On click on the drop down, we should probably get the key. Here. Let's do this. We're gonna need the key anyway, so let's do PHP echo. And then I would say here, row playlist user key. And then because we need the playlist name anyways, we need this also. That's not in its thing. There we go. There we go. So we're going to say in here, option, we're going to say, oops, shit, key, and then playlist name. On fetch quick pop-up, what do I need? I got key, and then playlist name has to be set through. So playlist option, or preset option, let's just set this to this. If option equals, now let's say var this equals option equals delete. We're gonna do true and then null. And then what this one, rename, like that, and then title, pretty much be the same thing around here. Var, let's just say if option equals delete, the var title equals delete playlist, var body equals, are you sure you want to delete this playlist, var button confirm. Else if rename playlist. Rename your playlist. Save name. Need language. So we have that. I think now this will work somewhat. Confirm playlist delete, I think will work at least. If not, we can fix it. Let me check my to-do. Yeah, this is getting done. Duplicate will be easy. If I say delete, what the fuck is all this back here? Undefined index key. Line 73. 73 is delete playlist key. Did I not? Playlist setting option key. Playlist user key. Playlist settings open. Where did 67 and 73? Delete 73. I don't know. Oh, I see why. Okay. I see why. And I also want these to I appeared in 2 searches today on LinkedIn. That's crazy. Hold on. Damn, they're not gonna watch a movie tonight. That's tough. Alright, so now, I don't know if I refresh. Why are there 2 confirm buttons? What? Let me see. Button 3, button 2. Oh, interesting. How do they both come through? Oh, okay. Bro, what? If is set and rename does not equal blank. My drop down option is if it equals delete or rename. The option should be delete, true, and one is undefined. So how the fuck? How does it get it though? Oh, I'm stupid as fuck. Alright, this should work now. And then if I hit confirm, yes. Okay, now if I hit A, yes. Now if I hit rename. Rename does nothing right now, which is okay. When I do rename, we need to have the input box here. Reset name. Presets. Probably this. Do I have any? Let me check real quick. Yeah, I should probably say you cannot have it longer than 32, because otherwise, if you name your playlist longer than 32 characters, then it's just a long ass name. So I think that's what we gotta do in our site functionality is when we load top songs, view more data, load audio here, search song. Update song. What is this? Add album. Might be important. Remove song. Add song. Previous song. Display playlist name error. Well, I don't think we see this error because of this height for some reason is this entire height for some reason is larger than it should be. But the height of that would be at the risk of this. So I can change it to 23. What is that? 670? And then in the code, display playlist error name. What I'm going to do is say, does this verify playlist name? So in our code, we're gonna do this. We're gonna say pretty much I want to take this exact thing and then do this here. If blank, do this. Else then do all this. Which we want to then say if playlist name dot length greater than 32, your playlist name is too long. Like that. Else we do this. So that should add the name length, and that should be good. I'm the king up in my city, fella. Maybe I should say max 30, max 32. I don't know how much text is too much, you know. Oh, this part didn't save, so I'm gonna have to refresh this again. How long have I been streaming so far on this? Alright, this one's only been like 3 hours, so that's fine. Yeah, it didn't go through, I forgot. I think I just coughed in the mic. I'm sorry. Ay, 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 ay. Six element. Do they have a height on these? Oh, wait. Is this the height for it? No. Okay, there's gotta be some height on these buttons here. Yeah, that's not that bad. And then if I change this alignment here, So that has to stay like that, but so then this thing is how come there's this giant gap below it? I'm gonna comment that out in case I do want it later. Like a little backwards. Maybe, hold on. That error font is too large. Let me try this. Yeah, that's good. And then I think on smaller, that's fine. And then on smaller, like up. Alright, does this not, what is this doing? I thought I had this optimized for this screen size. For 1440. Hello? I don't get it. And I thought okay. I mean, it doesn't matter so much, but it's kind of annoying because this should scale based on the screen size. I'm gonna have to fix that at some point. Just not right now. Yeah, so delete playlist, cancel. Delete playlist, confirm. A. So then if I do A again, so rename. We gotta have the text edit thing here. Nice. Okay, I don't know why. It felt like I was lagging for a second. Playlist. Oh, let me show the code here. And then we're gonna say if it's renamed playlist. if this. So we're gonna say rename playlist error. Validate playlist name. Playlist. This does not need to be there. Well, this is basically just going to be this here, verified playlist name with extra steps. Error element button is going to be the save name. So, confirm playlist rename. So we're going to say ID equals rename playlist. So, where am I? I'm over here. Error element button. We're going to do this, blank, blank, and then that. The playlist error text is going to be here, and then the element should be this dot value. Let's see how well that works. And then we have to do the rename playlist button click, which shouldn't be that hard to do. Okay. So yeah, it's empty. That shouldn't happen. We'll figure this out tomorrow. I am tired as hell right now. And I want to run the script. The automation script. So we could get more songs on the site. Let's go. Let's get it. So that's gonna be it for the stream today. I'm gonna try and stream early tomorrow again, so then we can get a head start on stuff. I'm gonna say this is 75% done. Tomorrow we're gonna get this stuff done. Copy preset to another preset. That shouldn't be that difficult. Select and move on playlist. I don't know. Search for playlist. This should already be done. So yeah, we're getting close to the playlist being done. The next thing, once we finish this, is making sure the presets work on the playlist settings. So yeah, that's gonna be it for my stream. Like I said, once playlists are done, there's still a few things that I want to fix up and clean up, and then I need to make sure the mobile is good, and then we'll move to artist pages. Once we get artist pages done, there's still a few more things that I need to clean up, such as the login. There's some bugs. There's some other issues. The cookie thing I gotta figure out. Once all that is done, we should be able to ready to push these changes onto the site. But I need to make sure everything's good before I do that, because I don't want any major issues being out there. So I want to make sure that that is good. I need to figure out the login issue. But yeah, because right now, like, look, if I close this and then reopen, I think it logs me out. No, it keeps me logged. I don't know. For some reason, it logs me out. I think I need to change the time to not expire. But yeah, that's gonna be it for the stream today. Thanks for everyone who stopped by, and see you guys tomorrow actually, because I got tomorrow off. So, yep.